tired of gross bacon-splattered kitchens? You tired of dirty pots and pans that burn your bacon? Tired of stubbing your toe at night? The bacon epidemic is being solved at this very moment. Introducing the Baconator, the slick new device that cooks one piece of bacon every 8 hours. Plug it in before you sleep and wake up to a hot, crispy piece of bacon. Plug 10 in before you sleep and wake up to bacon heaven for your whole family. Kiss your gender identity issues goodbye. I love you. I love you too.
Buy one Baconator, it's only $6, but if you buy 2 Baconators, it's only $12, but if you buy 3 Baconators, it's only $18, but if you buy 4 Baconators, it's only $24, but if you buy 5 Baconators, it's only $30, but if you buy 6 Baconators, it's only $36, but if you buy 100 Baconators, it's only $600. Hallelujah!